Meet Bob. Bob is a brand new employee. Bob's new company issues ID badges to all employees using BadgePass. They use those IDs for visual security, to access doors, sign onto computers, and more. On Bob's first day, he goes to the HR office to have his badge printed. The HR team captures his photo and prints him a card. The BadgePass system reads the unique card number that is encoded in the chip embedded in the card, automatically assigning that number to Bob and activating the card during the print process. As a result, Bob can take his card and immediately start using it for door access, purchases, and more. Isn't that how all systems work? Well, not exactly. In most systems, card activation is a multi-step process. This would mean Bob would have to take his badge to multiple departments to have it activated in all the other systems that use it. This is a costly and time-consuming process. The more applications the card is used in, the more difficult it becomes. But with BadgePass, Bob is ready to use his card right away, with no extra steps. 2 weeks after having his badge printed, Bob loses it. He immediately heads to the HR office to have a replacement ID printed. Just like his first ID, the BadgePass system reads the encoded badge number during the print process, assigning and activating it at the same time. When the new card is activated, the lost badge is automatically deactivated, ensuring that nobody can use Bob's card if they find it, and protecting the facility from unwanted access. Not only is the process easy for everyone involved, it also helps protect the company from credential overflow. Credential overflow occurs when the system has more active cards than active card holders. It's the most common security threat to an ID and access system at any facility. Credential overflow has 2 main causes. If lost or stolen IDs are not automatically deactivated when a replacement badge is issued, a cardholder may end up with multiple active badges. Because each badge is essentially a key to the facility, this creates an obvious security risk. Most systems require users to manually remove inactive cards from each and every system that uses the ID. Not only is this time-consuming, it leaves lots of room for error and frequently results in lost or stolen cards remaining permanently active. Because BadgePass automatically deactivates previous IDs on reprint, each cardholder will have only 1 active card at any moment. This renders lost or stolen ID badges basically useless to anyone that finds them. Credential overflow can also be caused when cardholders leave an organization. Most systems require a user to manually deactivate a badge when someone leaves the company, leaving room for forgotten cards or human error. BadgePass customers benefit from DataSync, a tool that allows for automatic deactivation of cardholders when they're removed from the source database, like the HR or payroll system. This ensures that no cardholders remain active after they've left your organization, without the need for any manual human interaction. With BadgePass, both Bob and the company enjoy the streamlined process for issuing and activating cards. Plus, they no longer have to worry about credential overflow. Single-step card production with no extra steps and no extra hassle. Don't you deserve a credential management system? Contact us today to learn more about BadgePass.